Right guys, we're now making our way towards the Thames barrier. I find this quite amusing actually, look. We're spoofing with a boat. Anyway. Here we are. We've just got to take it easy for the Thames barrier, haven't we? Yes, a free tour. Tell us a free tour. Yes. And for my viewers. Here we are, peoples.
There it is.
Here's the Thames barrier. We're going to go right up to it though. As in right up to the Thames barrier. One barrier is already up. Can you see it? The barrier's up. You see the barrier's up? Yeah. There we are, Thames barrier. Massive, aren't they? That's the size of the Thames barrier, man. Look at that. I'll show you where the barrier's up. There's one side where the barrier's up. You see it, the barrier's up. Now we're now across the 3 Woolwich ferries up the top. It must be going to London and coming home this way by work. You know, if you worked up London, this must be a really nice way to go home. If you love boats. You probably get fed up there at some point, but I'm saying it's a nice epic. What?
Ferry.
What? Oh, the ferry. Oh, the free ferry.
Ferry.
Oh, it's the free ferry.
Oh, yeah, it's literally everything.
He has to wait for us. Ben Walcott, the free ferry, has to wait for us to go past. Or is it docking?
Is this good ferry?
No, it's coming out. I think it's coming out. It's waiting for us. Had to wait for us. It's got a turn. The view's nice, you know. Chilling on the riverside.
We are now arriving at Woolwich Royal Arsenal. Any passengers for Woolwich Royal Arsenal, exit at the back of the boat. That is the back of the boat for Woolwich Royal Arsenal.
Oh, there's the
It is the back
pier. There's another pier now. Never been to so many piers in one day. It's got to dock in this pier. And that's where people... Oh, it's nicely lit up, this pier.
Hello, how are you?
Let's dim this down, I can't see it very well, I see it. It's too bright otherwise.